thing. Let me see your.
A 0. Why would you play with us like that? 0. Why would you even play with your friend like that? No,
You wrong as shit. You know that nigga ugly. You know that nigga ugly.
There are zeros.
So everybody get a 0?
Oh, you fucking yeah. Like, no. A 0.
Let me see again.
Oh, hold on. It's-
Yo, oh, my fault. He's fine.
What? A couple of.
Hey, how old you is?
Hey man, y'all not even looking at the screen.
We looking.
Seven, 6, 7. 6, 7, 6, 7. Alright. Hold on. Alright,
No.
A 6.
Mm-mm.
I don't know. That's on the same screen. 6.
a 6, 7.
6.
Oh, just a 6 flat.
Yeah. That shit fudgy.
Alright, we got
Alright.
3 more.
No.
Alright, we got 2 more. We got 2 more. Where is he at? Alright, here we go. Like what? What's the rating? A 6? What about from the other person? Like it's 6 too also? Alright, and then we got the last one.
It's a fucking 2.
Oh, no, they're all zeros. Actually. They're all zeros.
So everybody get a 0?
Oh, you fucking yeah. Like, no. A 0. Guys, but no. Where you going?
Alright. Nah. Chill. Alright, look, and then I'm the last person.
Oh.
Like that, like what? Like what's the rate?
He's not as high, that's why. But he's still cute, you know? Yeah.
But I'm saying that like what's the rating like?
Like I said, you're not as tight, but you're still cute. So like,
So
a 7.5.
a 7.5? That's cool. But nah though, that's all we had wanted. Y'all have a good day though.
I used to.
Nah, cause my rate is either out.
Is it
But-
ugly? Don't do what's wrong. I promise you, don't do what's wrong. Cause I promise you, we're blunt as fuck. We'll tell you the truth.
That's cool. That's what we want.
All right, these are right. This is that's fine.
0. For me.
Yeah, 0.
0?
Yeah. One.
A 1?
Yeah.
So like, what is y'all type so I can see if I got that like in the roster?
Dark skin. Like you.
Like
My baby daddy.
you said your baby daddy is what?
Light skin.
Light skin.
Me, brown skin, like dark skin, kind of. Tatted.
Hold on, wait. That just went over my head. Yo, baby daddy, how old are you?
18.
You're 18 with a BD.
Not too much.
That's her brother. Yeah.
So your brother is her.
That's my sister-in-law.
What you thought we was what? We is friends too, though.
Yeah.
We is friends. Loyalty over everything, boo.
No, y'all good, y'all good, y'all good, y'all good. All right, look, this next one.
Hey, take off that thing. Let me see your.
A 0. Why would you play with us like that?
Nerd as shit.
0. Why would you even play with your friend like that?
For real, you wrong as shit. You know that nigga ugly. You know that nigga ugly. Blood, you know that nigga ugly. Bro, he's dead ass wrong. And you laughing, you dead ass wrong. My nigga, you know your friend ugly as shit.
Like, why would you show that? We told you it was blunt. What the fuck did you mean by that? Like,
Gio, you
gonna
see
turn
that
it
shit?
alright, you can stop laughing now.
Bro, on blood, you not damn playing. I can live it too hard.
Hold on, bro. It's getting hot, bro.
But you knew he was ugly.
Gio,
But you knew he was ugly.
Carson, right on. Yes,
Oh,
he
yeah?
do. Yes, he do.
Oh,
Skin tone,
He
his
look
tattoo.
like Rakai. Oh,
No,
Rakai has
no, nigga.
bro, I'm saying though, like, look though, like, bro, I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's hot, bro. My fan is not moving fast enough. I'm saying though, like, look though, Pete. He's like I don't know, like, how is he ugly? Like, he's a D1 athlete. He played basketball.
Sorry, I don't care about none of that. It's,
Who, my
he's
baby
ugly.
daddy or what?
No, him.
Who?
I'm sorry, he's ugly.
Your friend?
Yeah.
He ugly as shit.
They
Don't
only
ever
work
put
on
that
us,
nigga in the fucking camera.
Look.
You dead ass wrong. You know your friend ugly. Like, that shit fucking bad. If my friend,
If my friend ugly, I'm
she's
not
not
gonna
ugly
like her.
though. If she was ugly though, I'd be like, bitch, I wouldn't even show her.
Yeah,
I'm not
I ain't gonna
whore ass
embarrass
nigga.
my friend like that.
Me
For-
either.
for-
You dead ass.
Hold on, wait. Time out. Flag on the play. Flag on the play. Cause I ain't gonna lie, bro. I ain't gonna lie. Hold on. Wait.
That's why you laughing at him.
No, look. Hold on. Wait. I'm gonna tell you why I'm laughing. I'm laughing because what y'all are saying is funny. Like, it's not. It's the first time that it happened to. It's the first time that this didn't happen to him. But it's been happening to other. But it's been happening to other people in the group. That's what I'm saying. So then when it happens, it's funny. That, like, I be sitting there dying laughing.
You gotta take him out the group. He's fucking up your shit.
You the only one decent.
Yeah.
Are so wrinkly. OMG.
Why I couldn't get like a more like respectful "What's up?"
Hello, nigga. We at the poor niggas. We at the poor niggas.
Nah, though. Look, real quick. Are you at least 18 or older?
Yep.
All right. Look. So can you rate my homeboys for me?
Yep. Let me see the niggas. And is these niggas gonna get mad?
No, they're not. They're not. Yeah, I'm gonna say yeah. All right. Look. This is the first one.
Yeah, I give this one like a 9.5. I give him a 9.5.
You get a 9.5. You said a 9.5.
Yes, I did. Still. Do you think I'm lying?
Huh?
Do you think I'm lying?
No. I'm saying like, yeah. I was just, yeah. Nah.
Okay, come on. Let me see this one.
We got FOMO.
Lives and share wider than.
Why you stop singing? Like, why you stop vibing?
Let me see again.
Oh, hold on. It's-
Okay, I give him like a 10.
You was just laughing at him and then he get a 10. Like, let's be real. Like, about the
I
ratings.
don't
Like,
want to be mean because I
You
don't
kn-
like to be mean.
that's not being mean. If somebody's not your type, like, you give them a.
Okay,
You feel me?
Okay, I'm gonna say this, Lee. Okay,
Mhm.
he's not my type of nigga, but he's not terrible. You know, like he does not a nigga I would date, but he's not like ugly.
Okay, so why is he not somebody you would date?
He's big.
He's not even big. He a football player. He a D1 football player.
I bet.
Hmm.
I bet.
Yeah. Like he not big. So like what he get?
I'm gonna give him
I don't smoke no. He ain't got no cheese.
what the pussy. I'm gonna give him
Huh?
4.
A four? A four?
A 4 for me, but face wise, face okay, body wise, I'm gonna give him a 4, but like face wise, I'm gonna give him like a 7, cause he's not bad. Like he's not bad. He's just big.
For sure, for sure, for sure. All right, look, we got the next one. Hold
Oh,
on.
there's more.
Yeah, it wasn't just those two. Nah.
Oh.
What do you get?
I'm gonna give him. I'm gonna give him a 8.5.
8.5. All right, all right, and then we got two more.
There's more.
Yeah, it's just two more. All right, we got this one right here. Oh, hold on, I gotta. All right.
Can you stop looking at me? Cause you're gonna just make me like laugh at these people. Thank you. I'm gonna give him like a 9 too.
A 9. So that's
Yeah.
what. Okay. All right, and then hold on, we got one more. This is the last one.
Gonna give him. Gonna give him an 8 as well.
A 8. All right, look, I ain't gonna lie. I feel like you lying.
I'm really not.
So
They're not ugly. Like if I was like walking down the street, I probably would talk to 3 of them.
okay, so who's the two that you wouldn't?
The big one
Okay.
and the big one.
That's just it, just him. So hold on, wait. So let me get this straight. You said the big one, but you said two though. So like there got to be another one somewhere.
I took it away. I took it away.
Oh, so you think they good?
Well, no, the big one. He's not ugly though. Like on God, if I was walking down the street, I probably like that wouldn't be like the first pick up a nigga I would fuck with.
Mm.
But like if I like was to get to talk to him and I get to know him, I probably would fuck with him. But I just never fuck with no fat nigga.
Okay.
Would you fuck with a fat bitch?
Personally, my pride is too high, so I wouldn't. But I'm not gonna lie. Would I sit there and talk bad about it? Nah. I just wouldn't talk to him. Somebody is a like if you think somebody's like a 2, 3, like give them a rating that you think. All right, so look, we got
It's 1 on the 10, right?
yeah, yeah. I mean, you could go lower if you feel me, but yeah, he a 6. Okay then, okay then, okay then, okay then.
Give me the phone. He's 7.
7. Okay. And then we got.
You gotta like speed it back.
Oh, hold on. It's cause I'm. Hold on. All right, there we go. All right. Why you say like why you do that?
I don't know. He's 7 and a half.
7.5. All right.
He's 6.
A 6. Now hold on. Now I was gonna let you slide with that answer, but it's the way that you were smiling is letting me know that you really want to go like lower than a 6.
No, he was 6. No, because the other
Okay.
answer, it was like kind of like I don't know how to spell it.
Okay.
He's 7.
A 7. Okay. That's pretty like evened out ratings. Everybody around like 7, 8, 6. Like everybody even. That's what's up. But no, I can get a rating too.
Mm, like an 8.
Like 8. Why you make like the face like that? Like
Because I had to look at like scan, like look, you know, like I gotta see what I'm really looking
okay, I see what you're saying. Yeah, that's reasonable. I ain't gonna lie, hey bro. Yo, yo,
Huh? Yeah. How you doing? You not gonna lie, what?
nah. I'm just mad right now.
Why you mad?
It's
Ooh, you got
it's
the
like
little
what?
shit. I hear you got the little. Not this. You got the little. Type shit.
What are you talking about?
You want to see this little thing right here?
Oh, you talking about?
You
All
got the
right.
little.
What are you?
But why you mad though?
Oh my god, bro, I can't. Oh, huh? But nah, I was
Why is you mad?
nah. It's just something that had just blew me. Like, yeah,
Like
pretty much. But nah, though. Real quick, how old are you?
18. How old are you?
I'm 19. But look though, um, I got like a group chat. I want you to rate.
All right.
I did. Where is it at? Um, dang, where am I tripping? I got a little swoosh. Oh, hold on.
Let me see. I rate him like an 8. He got a nice face card, but I just don't like his hair.
Oh, you don't like the whatever it's called. I forgot honestly.
Yeah, whatever he got going on.
Like a little finesse, like yeah, something like that.
He's not my cup of tea, but I wouldn't say he looked bad. I give him a 7.
A 7.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, this not my type. He looks short. That's like a 7.
A 7.
Yeah. He don't
Mm.
look bad. Just not my type.
All right.
I give him like a 7.
A 7.
Yeah. Type shit.
Okay.
Mhm.
And then we got one more.
Oh, he cute. I rate him an 8.
An 8.
Yeah.
Okay then. Okay then. All right. That's smooth. That's smooth. That's smooth. Nah. Oh, and then I get a rating too. Like what I get?
Oh, you like a 9?
A 9. That's smooth. That's smooth. That's smooth. Appreciate it though, gang. That's all we had wanted. That's what I was trying to get.
All right, have a nice night.
You too. And then, all right. So the one that's already 18. Look, you can rate my homeboys for
But
me.
how'd you is?
You can rate my homeboys for me.
Yeah.
And I'm 19.
Yeah, all right.
All right. Like what's the
6, 7. He a 10.
10? Hold on. Where is it at? Oh, here we go, right here. A 0.
A 9.
A 9.
Oh.
And then we got the last one.
5. It's to like a 5 for good. No, do not accept that. Oh my gosh, my bad. Don't skip it, motherfucker.
It's a what you get? 6, 5?
5.
5. All right. Appreciate y'all, man. That's all we got wanted.
Type shit.
Yeah.
I'm about to do something.
See, just please hit that follow button and subscribe, please. And also go follow my Twitch if y'all want to see more clips like that, because that's really where I'm at. And then I post onto YouTube after those clips are done. But if you want to see them on time, go follow my Twitch. Thank y'all.